What if you wanted to check whether a given condition is met? For instance, you have a for loop and you want to know when the counter reached a specified value. You can do that easily with the if command. The if command is a block command. When a condition is met, the I counter equals 3 in this particular case. The code between the if and AND commands is executed. If a condition is not met, the code in the if AND block is skipped. In the script above, the for loop counts from 1 to 5, and in each iteration the robot checks if the I counter equals 3. If it does, the message 3 was reached is displayed in the dialog box. If it doesn't, the robot does what it would do anyway, regardless of the condition test result, displays the current counter value. So let's run this script. When setting up a condition that equals a given value, remember to put 2 equals signs and no spaces. Otherwise, the spaces will be treated as separates between another sets of arguments and their values.